Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to package files for print in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is set up your document. As you can see, I have this document with 3 artboards and 3 different images set up. And then what I need you to do is come to the top left, click on File, and then from this drop down, click on Save as Package. Then from here you can see a summary. You can see we have 3 images in total. And here under Options, I want you to go ahead and make sure you have whatever you need toggled on. So I'm including images. That's why I have this one toggled on. If you want to include fonts or anything else, make sure that is toggled on. And then you just come here and click on OK. Then after that, you need to go ahead and select the folder where you want to save it. I'll go ahead and create a new folder. So I'll right click here, hover over new, click on folder, and I'll just name this one for print. Then we'll go ahead and click on this folder. Then after that, we will go ahead and click on package. Now if I come here to my file explorer and refresh, you should see the for print folder. And if you want to go ahead and make sure this prints, you just right click on it and then you click on show more options. You hover over send to, and then here you'll see your printer option. You send it to your printer and it will begin printing. But that is how to package files for print in Affinity Studio.